Changing your phone number on your Amazon Prime account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information quickly. Step 1. Sign in. Go to the Amazon website or open the Amazon app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to your account. Once logged in, locate the account and list option at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select your information. In the account settings menu, find and click on your account or account settings. Look for the section labeled your information or account settings to proceed. Step 4. Update phone number. Within your information section, find the option for phone numbers. Click on it and you will see your current phone number. Select the option to edit or change the number. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a verification code via SMS to confirm your new number. By following these steps, you can easily update your phone number on your Amazon Prime account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Amazon customer support for assistance.